Are you looking for the 5 best Asus router? In this video we will look at some of the top best Asus router on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 5. Asus RT-AC86U. Best Asus router overall. Okay, so our top overall pick for an Asus router might look like the head of a decapitated robot, with dark red eyes and an untidy antenna hairdo, but it's performance, not appearance, we're interested in here. The Asus RT-AC86U gives you AC 2900 wireless speeds, range boosting for better Wi-Fi coverage around your home, and even gaming acceleration technology. In actual fact, the RT-AC86U is positioned as a gaming router, which explains the aesthetics, but don't let that put you off. It's very easy to set up and a fantastic all-rounder. The icing on the cake is that this Asus router, being one of last year's models, can now be had, at the time of writing, for around a whopping 40% less than its launch price. It's simply an incredible bargain in terms of price-performance ratio. At number 4. Asus RT-AC66U. Best Asus router that's affordable, for those whose budget can't stretch to our overall champ above. The Asus RT-AC66U is a sterling more affordable option which still offers great performance levels for the asking price. It's easy to get going with the RT-AC66U, and speeds remain impressive for what is by now quite an old router, the reason why the asking price has been cut in half compared to the original RRP. You also get a good range of features, including adaptive cost to prioritize your internet traffic. Think of this as a workhorse Asus router which is still fully capable of getting the job done without breaking a sweat, and can be had without any danger of breaking the bank, too. At number 3. Asus RT-AC51U. Best Asus router on a strict budget, if you want the cheapest possible Asus router out there, without having to resort to buying some ancient, or indeed possibly dust-caked, second-hand, hunk of plastic which will likely only give you heartache in the long run. This is the model to go for. In fact, we'd argue the RT-AC51U is pretty much as cheap as you can go while still getting a useful router. And it's a reasonable enough model, offering 802.11 AC dual-band Wi-Fi at solid enough speeds with a single USB 2.0 port for hooking up your printer or external storage. It's a completely no-frills router, for sure, but the best Asus option at the true bargain basement end of the market. At number 2. Asus ROG Rapture GT-AC5300. Best Asus router for gaming. Now, this is a slight curveball in that gamers will be well served by our best overall router above, the Asus RT-AC86U, and its fantastic value proposition. But if you want to spend more for the absolute best router for gaming, then you need the Asus ROG Rapture GT-AC5300. This is a juiced up for gamers version of the already excellent RT-AC5300, and like that model, it boasts strong tree-band Wi-Fi coverage thanks to 8 antennas. While gamers of course swear by wired connections, wireless is still important for general usage and gaming on mobile devices. Speaking of wired, the GT-AC5300 has no less than 8 LAN ports, twice the amount of the RT-AC5300, plus it has a slightly higher spec elsewhere, like double the memory. Moreover, it bristles with advanced features, including gamer-specific adaptive cost and acceleration to optimize your connection. As a gaming router, it really flies, but it isn't cheap. Although now this router has been around for a couple of years, it's considerably more affordable than when first launched. The aforementioned RT-AC5300 is a good slightly cheaper alternative, but the price difference is so little at the time of writing, the clear choice for us is the ROG. At number 1. Asus RT-AX88U. Best Asus router for fast Wi-Fi speeds. The RT-AX88U is built around the latest 802.11x wireless standard, newly renamed Wi-Fi 6, but manufacturers are still using the AX label for the fastest Wi-Fi speeds, while remaining a relatively affordable model. It's far from cheap, but you'll always pay through the nose for the very latest tech. This Asus router boasts super fast 5 GHz speeds, and the 802.11x tech also helps for better performance in congested wireless environments, where a lot of devices are being used over Wi-Fi. Remember, though, that you'll need client devices which also support 802.11x to get the full benefit of the router's AX speeds, and there aren't many around right now. Samsung's Galaxy S10 smartphone is one. The good news, however, is that Wi-Fi performance is still blazingly quick even with 802.11 AC devices. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.